the newest technology weightless machine, and it combines 4 handles. This handle is V10 handle, and this one is the cryolipolysis. This one is the 40K cavitation, and that one is the cooling pads. The screen is big. The touch screen is very easy to operate. And here we turn on the machine. After we enter the password, we input the password and we enter the system. Now let's talk about the V10 handle. Here, the V10 handle has RF, BIO, and cavitation, and also the laser. Here is to adjust the intensity. For example, 5 for the RF, and BIO, 6 for the BIO, and cavitation. We adjust the intensity. Also, we can adjust the working time. For example, we set the treatment time to 25, then press OK. Now we can let the RF work, also the cavitation work together. If we turn on the laser will be on. Laser. This is the laser, and this is the RF. Cavitation here, 2 cavitation, 40K cavitation. We turn on the BIO. The BIO is together with the RF. Here we can turn on the vacuum. Here you can hear the sound of the vacuum. Now we can show you the treatment. The vacuum intensity, we can here move the handle slowly, and if the vacuum is too high, we can lower the intensity of the vacuum. Before the treatment, we need to use some gel to the treatment target, and after, we use the V10 handle to give treatment. We can adjust the intensity according to the beautician's opinion to the client. In the vacuum intensity of the V10 handle, you can adjust it by this button. For example, to lower the intensity, and here is to at the intensity. Okay, this is the operation of the V10 handle, new technology handle. After treatment, we turn off the handle. Okay. And this is the cryolipolysis handle. Cryolipolysis handle has the fountain and the vacuum. Also the cooling pad. Here we turn on the fountain. And here we turn on the vacuum. The vacuum, we can adjust the modes here, 3 modes. And this is to turn on the cooling. It will work. Also the vacuum is working. Here is to adjust the working time. For example, 20 minutes. And the temperature of the cryolipolysis. First 5 minutes, we adjust the temperature to 5 degrees and give 5 minutes treatment. Here, we'll show you the treatment. Before the treatment, we use the membrane, the antifreeze film. First, put the anti-film to the target treatment. And then, we use the cryolipolysis handle to give treatment. And if the vacuum is now stronger, we can adjust the intensity here. And after 5 minutes treatment, release the handle. After 5 minutes treatment, release the handle. Release the vacuum. And adjust the temperature to 3 or to 5 degrees minus. And then continue the treatment. Then continue the treatment about 15 minutes. The treatment of the cryolipolysis is finished and the effect will be ensured because the cryolipolysis technology is very effective in weight loss, as we know that. Okay, so this is the treatment of the cryolipolysis handle. After treatment, the skin may show some red mark, but it is okay. No problem. It's normal. And the effect is very effective. And this is the 40K cavitation and the cooling pads. These two handles, we can operate it by the touch screen. Here is for the freezing board, is for the cooling pads. And this is for the 40K cavitation. Now let's check the cavitation. Here, press the cavitation to enter. Here we can adjust the working time. Add the working time, reduce the working time. For example, let's set the working time to be 25 minutes. And this is to adjust the intensity of the cavitation. The maximum intensity is 8. And here is to turn on the cavitation. Here you can check the cavitation is on. And if the intensity is 5 to 8, the photon will keep on. And if the intensity is from 1 to 4, the photon is changing according to the intensity. For example, if the intensity is 3, the photon here is the photon's mode. For example, mode A, you can see the photon is working like this way, and mode B, it will keep changing. And also the mode C, different. Okay, let us show you the treatment of cavitation. First, we use some gel. Put some gel into the target treatment. And then use the cavitation to the treatment target. The intensity and modes of the cavitation should be adjusted according to the beautician's opinion during the treatment. After the treatment of the cavitation, the treatment target will be explored, so ensure a very good result. After we turn off the cavitation, and here back to the main screen, And this is for the operation of the cooling pad. Press it. In the cooling pad, we have 4 cooling pads. Here, 4 cooling pads. And every cooling pad has 2 cooling planes inside. And also, the cooling pad is combined with the vibration. The vibration is very good to promote the blood circulation, so to ensure a good result for the weight loss. And the temperature of the cooling pad, we can adjust it from 0 to 5. Here, we can set the degree. For example, 5, press OK. Then, the temperature will be 5 and 0, and then it will become 0. And here is to set the cooling pad B, also 0 degree, and then we turn on the cooling pad. This is cooling pad A and B. Yes. You can hear the sound of the vibration. And in a few minutes, the cooling pad will become 0 degree. So we can give the treatment to clients. Also, the cooling pad also need the antifreeze film. And we put the antifreeze film on the treatment target. And then we put on the cooling pad. The treatment operation is very simple. During the treatment, the vibration will promote the blood circulation, and the 2 cooling planes will make sure there will be a good result for weight loss. And according to the treatment requirement, the cooling pads can work together. The 4 cooling pads can work together to the target treatment. Now, let me introduce the. 听吧，听吧，听吧。你们觉得 When the machine is working, the cooling pad is working, the screen looks like this way. And this is the water flow indicator for the handle A and B. And here you can see 4 is the water level. This means the water is enough. And if the lower indicator work, then the water level is too low and we need to add more water into the machine. And this is to show the water temperature. Now the temperature is 43 degrees. And here it shows the working condition of the cooling pad A and B. And here also the C and D. The C and D is not working, so the working state is like this. It's off, and the A and B is on. Okay. And this is the cooling pad A and B operating time. Now it's already worked 25 minutes. Also, here the operating time is for the cooling pads C and D. This is to show the handle temperature. It can change automatically until it becomes the degree to the degree we have set it. After the cooling pad treatment, we turn off the cooling pad. Okay. And then after all treatments, we turn off the machine. And after, don't forget to clean all the handles. After cleaning the handles, the machine will be ready for the next treatment. Okay, thank you.